Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I'm just a bit bored, so I just thought I'd do a video and show you some stuff that I bought recently. And also I'm going to buy, whilst doing this video, I'm going to buy a drone that someone's asked me to review. Now, I don't generally do review videos, I just kind of demonstrate how they work. I don't really give my opinion on them. This was the last drone video I did. And this video was fun to fly, but the camera was terrible, which it is on most drones from Aliexpress, to be honest, especially budget ones. So yeah, this is the comment. He asked if I could do a review on this drone. He's more curious about the weight and the performance, battery life, etc. Just going to open that up. Now I replied with, I said I wasn't going to buy the drone with a camera. I was going to buy it without the camera, but I decided to get it with a camera just so you could see, and that would be this one. I'll get the 1080p version. It'll be nowhere near 1080p, they never are, but I'll get this just to show you basically that, you know, they're not 1080p. 4.7, 288 reviews is not too bad at all. Plenty orders. 4K HD. It's definitely not going to be 4K HD, that's for sure. So yeah, I'm going to order this now, and then when it comes, we'll do a quick video on it for the guy who requested a review on it. I'm just going to go ahead, buy it now. Okay, so just check down here that everything's correct. There's a bit of tax to be added on, as we know now. Highly annoying, but it is what it is. Everything's correct, so we're just going to place the order. And there we have it. Now I'm just going to go to the orders list. I'll show you a few bits that I've been ordering. I'm sorry about the background noise. That's our zebra finch making the racket. As you can see, that's the drone ordered, and other things I've been ordering are this wood burning Pyrography Kit. Comes with all sorts of bits and bats. I'm looking forward to that coming. I've never used one of these, I've never tried one before, so we've got that coming. Can ignore that and that and that. We've got some tattoo stickers coming. Now, if they look anything like this on this person's arm, then I reckon they're going to look okay, and they've got an extreme amount of good reviews, so I've got high hopes for them. I got a hand one as well. I also got a toilet light, motion sensor toilet seat night light. It's got a lot of orders, just look at that, mental amount of orders. So yeah, we've got one of them coming. We've also got a faucet light coming. I believe that also has, yeah, has a lot of orders as well. Quite popular. So yeah, and that's it. I covered that in another video. So yeah, that's what I've got coming, including this drone now. So yeah, excited for that to come. Open it up and do a little review on it. Like I say, I don't generally do reviews. So yeah, I'll just be, you know, I'll get it out, I'll demonstrate it and all that kind of thing. So yeah, I just wanted to do a quick video because I'm a bit bored. I think that covers everything. If you've got any questions, or, you know, there's anything on AliExpress you want a review on, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.